If you want to automate your business like connecting apps, moving data, sending notifications, or triggering tasks, tools like Zapier and Make.com are good options. But today I want to talk about n8n, which many developers and automation teams say it can beat both Zapier and Make.com in several powerful ways. In this video, I will explain the top 5 reasons n8n offer wins when you need serious automation that's flexible, affordable, and powerful. And I will explain it in a simple way so anyone can understand. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and show you the best tools and help you to automate your workflows without stress. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use links in the description to check the special offers for n8n, Zapier, and Mac.com. By using the links in description, any discounts or free plans, they will be applied automatically. So you get the best value with no extra effort. The first reason n8n beats Zapier and Make.com is pricing and cost control. Zapier charges you for every action or task that runs in your automation, and Make charges for every operation. That means if you have a lot of steps or high volumes, cost can grow quickly. n8n, on the other hand, uses a workflow run pricing model. You pay per full workflow execution instead of each step inside it. That can make the pricing much more predictable and cheaper, especially when your automations are complex and run often. You can even self-host your n8n for free and just pay for the server. This can save a lot of money for startups and tech teams. The second reason is flexibility and customization. Zapier and Make are cloud-only tools with fixed interfaces. These work well for many popular apps, but if you need something custom like special API calls, custom logic, or specific error handling, it can get hard. n8n gives you real flexibility because you can write your own logic in JavaScript or Python inside workflows, and you can integrate directly with any API or system. This makes n8n behave more like a developer level platform that can handle anything from simple automation to very advanced workflows. The third reason n8n wins is data control and self-hosting. With Zapier and Make, your automations run on their servers, which means your data passes through their system. n8n lets you self-host the platform on your own server or cloud. So you control your data, security, and compliance. This is very important for businesses handling sensitive information, local services, or internal tools where privacy does matter. You can even deploy the n8n on your own infrastructure and decide where your automation runs. Number 4 is advanced logic and developer-grade features. Basic tools are perfect for simple tasks like when I get an email, send a Slack message. But if you need true logic, loops, branching, and parallel paths, n8n supports things like conditional logic, like if or switch mode. It can support loops, merge nodes, and code execution. That makes it possible to build very powerful automation. For example, processing the large datasets, calling multiple APIs in sequences, or even building custom decision system. This goes beyond what Zapier and Make can do out of the box because they are limited how deep you can customize the logic. Finally, the fifth reason many teams prefer n8n is AI and modern integrations. Today, automation is not just moving data, it's about building intelligent workflows that understand, that can predict, and that can also act. n8n has a strong AI integration, including direct support for tools like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic, LangChain, and other advanced services. This lets you build AI-powered pipelines and decision engines that can be way more sophisticated than simple triggers and actions. Zapier and Make do offer AI connections, but n8n's approach is deeper. It's open and it's more flexible for creating custom AI logic that changes based on the data. So summarize, here are the top 5 reasons n8n often beats Zapier and Make. The first reason is better pricing and cost control, especially for the complex automations. Then next reason is data control and self-hosting. Fourth reason is advanced automation and developer feature for complex logic. Fifth reason is AI and modern integration capabilities. Of course, n8n is more advanced, and that means a learning curve. It works best if you want power and control over your automations. Zapier is still easier if you want very simple, quick automations. Make is a great visual builders. But for teams that need deep control, cost efficient scaling, and advanced logic, n8n is a strong choice that many technical teams and developer love. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you to understand why many people choose n8n over Zapier and Make. And you can also understand by watching this video which advantages it offers for your serious automation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more tool comparisons and tutorials, and don't forget to use link from description for any special deals or free plan options. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.